In the medical world, every decision you make carries responsibility. And even with years of training, experience, and dedication, things don't always go as planned. A complaint, a miscommunication, an unexpected outcome can come suddenly. And as a healthcare professional, you can face a claim that threatens your career, finances, and reputation. Doctors' Professional Indemnity Insurance exists for this exact reason. At Step-by-Step Insurance, we help medical practitioners safeguard themselves from the impact of professional liability claims. This covers steps in when a patient alleges negligence, errors, omissions, or professional misconduct, whether or not the claim is proven. Here's what the cover protects you from. 1. Legal defense costs, covering your lawyer fees and court expenses. 2. Compensation awards, if a settlement or payout is required. 3. Claims arising from mistakes, misdiagnosis, or professional advice given in the course of duty. And finally, protection for both individual practitioners and medical facilities, depending on your needs. This insurance is essential for doctors, surgeons, dentists, anesthesists, pharmacists, specialists, and all healthcare providers who interact directly with patients. Because in a field where every action affects a life, the stakes are high. Through Step-by-Step Insurance, you get guidance, clear policy options, and access to Kenya's leading underwriters. We make the process simple, from getting a quote to customizing your cover. Professional indemnity isn't just a policy, it's your professional safeguard. It protects your career, your reputation, and your ability to continue serving patients confidently.
Ready to protect your career with confidence? Visit our website or call us today and get a free quote from Step-by-Step Insurance. It's quick, it's simple, and it's the smartest step you can take for your professional future.
Step-by-Step Insurance, protecting the people who protect us.